You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick hardware comparison review about this Linux distro platform to help you decide which of these Linux will be a better choice for you. So let's quickly dive into it. So talking about this platform, which is CachyOS and Nobara. CachyOS is all about speed and performance, built on Hatch with custom tone, kernel, and CPU specific optimization. It's great for gamers and power users who want bleeding edge software and the flexibility of Hatch. But with friendlier setup tools, the pros have raw performance, optimal customization, and strong hardware support, while the cons are that it requires more tweaking than a beginner friendly distro. Nobara, on the other hand, is a federal based and focused on out of the box gaming and media support. It comes with a preloaded with a drive and codec, together with a protein wine tweak, which make it super easy for gamers and creators. The pros are convenient, ready to go gaming performing, and a federal stability. The con side is that the system optimization can sometimes the system customization than CachyOS and freeware customization option are advanced for users. And here's a simple conclusion: choose CachyOS if you want a minimum performance control, or pick Nobara if you want gaming to just work right after install. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.